The way you do anything is the way that you do everything. Can we change? Yes. So understand your own mentality. You do not have to participate in the sky is falling, things are bad. You have to get your head straight, okay? We stay focused, we execute.
Yeah, my biggest takeaway would just be that this organization is all about growth. And if you're a person that is just craving and desiring growth, this is the place to be in.
And with a team that's moving with you, you build confidence. You don't have to be the one to know everything. Just be around those who are moving in that direction, and you'll start to get confidence yourself.
Allied's the right place to be. It's the perfect company to work for because they actually want you to grow and they care about how you do in your own personal life, and they're always about growth.
What got me today is the motivation and the growth that they inspire us to in ourselves and as a team. Just keep pushing forward in your work and working hard.
Just unity, you know. I think that a lot of companies, they fail to see how much this affects a company. And I think just to bring everybody together, being at different positions, at different departments, that just makes us more united.
It is a company that I would recommend to anybody. I think the people that work for the company are definitely people that you want to surround yourself with. People here are very, very encouraging, supportive, and I love that part of it.
Everybody seems to care about each other, which I like. That's what I would tell somebody, that there's a lot of opportunity, a lot of room for growth for a younger person.